people with special abilities, when a person has special abilities, there's always statistical evidence of their abilities. You can always quantify the things that they achieve. Now, we'll find that out as we go on. A person can't have special abilities and not have the evidence that shows that they have those special abilities. You'll see the evidence. You'll see the statistical evidence. You see, and this is why they are sought after. Because they do things, which impact. They do things which are visible, which can be proven. That's why Pharaoh wanted a person with special abilities for himself.
Thank you for watching. We hope you have been blessed. For full videos as well as more sermons and teachings from our ministry, visit our Facebook page at Out for Christ Ministries International. Remain blessed.